How's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a 2014 Audi Q5 Premium Plus, 83,000 miles on it. Just serviced. Drives really good. Body's in really good shape. Interior's clean and really good shape. A couple of minor paint chips on the back bumper cover. A little minor, very small ding right there on the passenger door. Besides that, she's really clean. Panel roof, so she's loaded up. So panoramic roof, 2.0 turbocharged engine, all-wheel drive. It's Quattro. Backup camera. Bluetooth. It has Wi-Fi hotspot. It has a sport edition, so it has the sport seats in it. Go ahead and give her a start up. She has 83,841 miles. Backup camera, nav. If this is something you might be interested in, please give us a call or text us at 228-438-2056. You can also check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. You could also please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you know somebody who might be interested in this car. If you need any servicing and you're in the South Mississippi area for any Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche vehicles, also give us a shout. Thanks for checking out our video.